Hello students, now today also we'll continue with exercise 7b from S.Agarwal chapter 7 linear equations, and today I will explain question number 18 and 20. These two are age related problem. Fine. So in question number 18 there is one small mistake is there. In place of younger you have to write it as older. Okay. Now Raju is 19 years older than his cousin. Now the first, because the age of Raju is been compared with cousin, so first of all we have to let the age of cousin first. Okay, so let the age of cousin be x, and since Raju is 19 years older than his cousin, so it would be Raju's age will be x plus 19. Yes. Okay, so this is the first thing that we have to do. Now in the next part of the question they have said that after 5 years, now what we have to write, after 5 years. So after 5 years, now after 5 years what will happen? Now this is the present age of cousin is what, x, and present age of Raju is what, x plus 19. So after 5 years what would be the age of cousin then? So cousin's age would be what? Cousin age would be x plus 5 years, isn't it? And what would be the age of Raju? So Raju's age after 5 years would be what? X plus 19, and we have to add more 5 to it. So that will be what? X plus 24 years, isn't it? So this is the age of cousin and Raju after 5 years. Now in the next part of the question they have said their ages will be in the ratio 2:3. Now according to the problem, the age of cousin after 5 years by age of Raju's after 5 years will be equals to what? 2:3. So according to the problem, what we have to write? According to the problem, age of cousin after 5 years, by age of Raju after 5 years, this would be equals to 2/3. Okay, this would be equals to 2/3. Now what is the age of cousin after 5 years? It is x plus 5, so we'll write it here. So x plus 5 by x plus 24, that would be equals to 2/3. Fine. Now from here what we have to do? We have to do cross multiplication. That means 3 would be multiplied with this binomial, that is x plus 5, and this binomial x plus 2 will be multiplied with this 2. So in the next sentence, in the next part, sorry, not sentence, in next part what we have to write? 3 into x plus 5, as this is a binomial, so we'll put it inside the bracket. 2 into, this is a binomial, so we also will put it inside the bracket, that is x plus 24. Now how to open the bracket, students? So we have to multiply this monomial with all the terms inside the bracket, that is 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into 5, 15, 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 24, 48. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll transpose this 2x towards left hand side and we'll take this constant term towards right hand side, students. Okay, so it will look like 3x minus 2x, that would be equals to 48 minus 15. So it will be x is equals to 33. Now x was taken as whose age? Cousin's age. Now we are aware of cousin's age, that is 33. So we'll write therefore age of cousin is equals to how many years? 33 years. Now we have to also find the age of Raju's also, and Raju's age is what? X plus 19. So what is the value of x? 33. That means 33 plus 19, that would be equals to 52 years. Okay, so age of Raju is 52 years and age of cousin is 33 years. So this is a solution of question number 18, students. Now let's move on to the next sum, that is sum number 20, which is also a age problem. Yes. Now, question number 20. The ages of Sonal and Manoj are in the ratio 7:5. Now, in this question, the two characters are given, Sonal and Manoj, I guess. Yes, Sonal and Sonal. Sorry, not Sonal. Sonal and Manoj is given. So, age of Sonal and Manoj is given in the ratio form, that is 7:5. So, Sonal age is to Manoj age is given as what? 7:5. Okay. So whenever you see the ages are given in the ratio form, what is the first thing that we will do? Let the age of Sonal equals to 7x, because Sonal is representing this number and Manoj is representing 5. So, and the age of Manoj would be 5x. So this is their present age. Okay, this is their present age. Now, let me just divide this. Now, the next part of the question, 10 years hence. So what is the meaning of 10 years hence? 10 years hence. 10 years hence means 10 years after. Okay, so after 10 years. So if 7x is the present age of Sonal, so what will the age of Sonal after 10 years? So Sonal age after 10 years will be what? We have to add 10 to his present age. And what will the age of Manoj? Manoj age would be what? If the present age is 5x, so we have to add 10 to it, isn't it? So this is the age of Sonal after 10 years and this is the age of Manoj after 10 years. Now let's see what happens. What is there in the next part? The ratio of the ages. That means after 10 years, the ratio of the ages will be 9:7. 9:7. That is according to the problem. Sonal age after 10 years by Manoj age after 10 years, that would be equals to what? 9:7. 9:7. Okay. Now, what is the age of Sonal given? What is the age of Sonal given? Sonal age after 10 years is 7x. So, we'll write it down. 7x plus 10. And what is the age of Manoj after 10 years? This is 5x plus 10. 5x plus 10, and this will be equals to 9/7. So again we have to do cross multiplication. That is 7 will be multiplied with this and this whole binomial will be multiplied by 9. Okay, so it will look like 7 into 7x plus 10 and this would be equals to 9 into 5x plus 10. Okay. Now let's multiply this. 7 into 7x is 49x plus 7 tens are 70. 9 into 5 is 45x plus 90. Okay. Now we'll bring this 45x towards left hand side and we'll take this constant term towards right hand side. Okay. So it will look like 49x minus 45x, that would be equals to 90 minus 70. So it would be 4x equals to 20 and x would be equals to 20 by 4, that would be equals to 5. So the value of 5, so value of x is 5. Now we have to find out the present age of Sonal. Sonal present is what? 7x. Now therefore age of Sonal would be what? 7 into 5. 7x means what? You have to put the value of x and value of x is what? 5. So it would be 35 years. And age of Manoj. Age of Manoj would be 5 into 5. That would be 25 years. Okay. So this is your final answer, students. I hope all of you have understood. So that's it for today's session, boys. Thank you so much. God bless you all and stay blessed.